Cardano and Solana are rivals in the decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible token, NFT, arena since both blockchains support smart contracts, which allow these assets to be created. While the bear market rumbled on, both of their native cryptocurrencies, ADA and SOL, took a tremendous hammering in the market. Yet, once again, the crypto market has begun to grow, raising the question of which is the better investment. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Cardano versus Solana in DeFi and NFTs. While being the oldest of the two, Solana's growth in the DeFi and NFT arena swiftly eclipsed that of Cardano since it was the first to enable smart contract interoperability. Solana is currently catching up to networks such as Ethereum and Solana, both of which had an established community before Cardano unveiled smart contract capabilities in September 2021. SOL's total value locked over $10 billion at its high, whereas ADA's peak was $326 million. Solana is also the second largest network for NFTs behind Ethereum, allowing the Magic Eden NFT marketplace to compete for market share with the renowned OpenSea. Nevertheless, Solana was inextricably linked to FTX and Alameda, both of which failed in 2022. This harmed the network's reputation, forcing its TVL and NFT trading volume to plummet at the same time. According to DeFi Llama, the Solana TVL is now worth $240 million, while Cardano is at $117 million. This puts both networks on relatively close margins, further lowering the performance gap between them. SOL price versus ADA price. As previously noted, the demise of FTX and Alameda Research had a significant influence on Solana, driving its price down from above $34 to single-digit levels before the market recovered in early 2023, allowing it to recapture the $25 level before dropping back to $19. Cardano outperforms Solana in terms of price performance over the previous year and how well both digital currencies are performing in comparison to their all-time high values. According to Messari statistics, SOL is down 92.44% from its ADH price of $259, while ADA is down 89.42% from its ADH price of $3.10. On the other hand, both digital assets hit their cycle lows on the same day this year, January 7th. Nevertheless, whereas ADA is only up 37.32% from its cycle low, SOL is up almost 98%. This demonstrates the greater demand in Solana, which has helped to drive its value up far faster than ADA. According to historical statistics, SOL has been the stronger performer of the two and may continue to be so in the future. But it's also worth noting that Cardano has built a cult-like following, which has shown to be a key feature for high-performing cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. In your opinion, which one is a better investment? Is it Solana or is it ADA? Let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.